Okay. So ready? Step 1. You mess up your Rubik's Cube.
Ha 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 ha! Not funny. I thought it was funny.
Don't do that. Bad.
It's too easy.
Too easy. Notice. I'm gonna put it back now. Damn it. Wait. Okay, hold on. Notice. Look, too easy to solve.
This is step 3, actually.
Okay. Step 3. Wait, no, I can't.
That's a point. Step 3.
Take your plastic bag and open it. So shut up, Cal. Then put your Rubik's Cube in the bag. Then close it. And then take it up.
Now, Rubik's Cube is fully mixed. Don't worry about those pieces, those are not essential. There you go.
Kelly, stop laughing. This is high quality.
Now you pour it out.
Now you open the Rubik's bag.
3 easy payments of $9.99.
Yep.
You can get your very own Rubik's bag.
See offer at the end of the video. Oh my God.
And then pile it up like this. And then bam, your Rubik's Cube is mixed.
Oh no, it's already done.
You see, this is what happens if you do it wrong. You didn't shake the bag long enough, is the problem.
Now it came out perfectly.
Yes.
Shame on you.
Step 5.
Purchase a Rubik's bag.
Purchase Rubik's bag. In there somewhere like this.
Yep. Now you gotta make. There you go. Now you are done.